Hello everybody, this is Digital Blackboard by Sachin Pinagmakar. So in this video we are going to discuss the topic explanation of hydropower plant with schematic block diagram. Now what is hydropower plant? So hydropower plant is again used to generate the electricity and hydro energy is being used in this. So the energy which is associated with water is called as hydro energy. So now we know the concept that when water is stored, it is having the potential energy, and when water flows, it is having that potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. So that kinetic energy can be easily converted into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy then can be used to generate the electricity. So this is the schematic block diagram for hydro power plant, and these are the various components of hydro power plant. So we will take a look at it one by one. So the main component of hydropower plant is the dam. So what is dam? So dam is a barrier of acting as a barrier of water. So water gets stored at a high head, at a high level, and dam acts as a barrier of it. Okay. Then the powerhouse. This is a very important unit of hydropower plant. The powerhouse where the alternator is connected, and that alternator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So the water has to be passed from that dam reservoir to the powerhouse. So for this we have to use some channel. So penstock, the channel is called as penstock. So basically penstock is a carrier of water. So penstock carries the water from the reservoir to the powerhouse. Now what is the role of penstock? So penstock can be a closed or open conduit. It's like a pipe. It's a closed or open conduit which transfers the water from the reservoir to the powerhouse. And at the start of that penstock there is one surge tank. Now what is the purpose of that surge tank there? So if for maintenance purpose, if the powerhouse is closed, so the intake to the powerhouse will get closed, the gates will get closed. So heavy amount of water will get stored in the penstock. So the pressure inside the penstock may get increased, and that may burst, the penstock may get burst. So to save this, the surging or the surge water can goes to the surge tank. So basically surge tank is used for that, and is acting as a protection to the penstock. So whenever surges occur, so when the gate of powerhouse get closed, so the water will come back in the penstock, and penstock pressure can increase, and that's why the penstock may get burst, and so that the surge tank will allow that surges into it, so penstock can be saved. And if the gate is open, then the water from surge tank again goes to the powerhouse. So that is the main function of that surge tank. So in the powerhouse, when water flows on the blades of that hydro turbine, the hydro turbine gets rotated. That hydro turbine is mechanically coupled with alternator, and so alternator converts that mechanical energy into electrical energy, and then that electrical energy is step up, and then it can be connected to the grid. So this is the schematic of hydro power plant. Okay, so again we will take a look at one component. Reservoir is there, so it saves the water. Then dam acts as a barrier of that water. Then penstock is a carrier of water, it carries the water from reservoir to the powerhouse. Surge tank acts as a protection for penstock. Okay, and then powerhouse where actually electricity gets generated. Then after doing the useful work in the powerhouse, the water goes to the tail race, so that water can be used for the irrigation or for any other purpose. So I hope you understand the basic of hydro power plant and the basic components and the basic schematic block diagram of hydro power plant. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.